Chase Shute from Port Townsend, and Miguel Canales from Warden. Ivan Reyes from Chelan, Colin Etchison from Tonasket. He'll be the on-deck wrestler there at mat
4. There you go.
New matches now in the 2A tournament. First on mat 3 in consolation at 113 pounds. Randy McDonald of East Valley, Spokane, and Bailey McBride of Cedar Crest. Adam Atkinson of Cedar Woolley, you're going to win by injury default or by forfeit. Adam Atkinson, you will win by forfeit. Please show up to mat 3 over there in 2A, ready to wrestle. And that would also put Jamel Carroll of Sultan and James McKenzie from Sultan on deck at mat 3. Carroll and McKenzie, both of Sultan, on deck at mat 3.
Circle, David, circle. Circle, there you go.
And on mat number 4 at 113 pounds, Logan Corbin of Granite Falls and Tanner Petkovich from Sumner.
Take him down.
120 pounders, Nathan James from Sumner and Jose Martinez from Washington on deck 2A4. To the 4A tournament in mat number 3 in consolation at 113 pounds. It's Ramiro Ortiz from Davis and Isaiah of Evergreen of Vancouver. Zachary Garcia, Ramon Ortiz on deck mat number 3.
You see Torres?
4A6, we've got a new match now at 120 pounds. It's a semi-final between Bryson Beard of Central Valley and Alex Rodrigo from Lake Stevens. Noah Pizzetto from Lake Stevens and Brian Elliott from Camas on deck 4A6. At 3A5 in consolation at 120 pounds, now Eli Kluwer from Mount Side and Gage George from Timberline. Bester and Zavala, 3A5, you're on deck. Girls tournament now. Mat number 1, a semi at 112 pounds with Danielle Crawford from Granite Falls and Jasmine Pleasant from Thomas Jefferson. Jordan Bartleson and Yulia Jimaniaza from Kelso. You're on deck at mat number 1. Quinn O'Brien from Prairie, wrestling now with Alicia Forrest of Darrington at 106 pounds. That's in consolation on mat number 4. On deck at girls' scores will be Sierra Joner from Battleground and Anicia Ramirez of Lakes. Girls 2, if you would, please update your bout number. Girls 2, you're at 246, we believe.
Take down Fireman.
3A mat number 3. In consolation at 113 pounds, Blake Larinas from Hanford and Homer Romero from Sunnyside. Wes Meinert from Stanwood and Jacob Cole from Stanwood on deck. 126 pounders on deck at mat number 3. 3A1, it's a semi-final with Taylor Nuasa from Mercer Island and Jesse Torres of Sunnyside. On deck at 3A1, we need Matthew Floresca from Shorewood and Dylan Foley from Auburn Mountain View.
Got 3 points on 3 back points.
1A mat number 2. It's a semi-final now at 113 pounds with Kiki Chabala from Royal and Jojo Surrigan.
Hey, I think that's
Castle Rock, Surrigan and Chabala. On mat number 2.
On number 1?
Seth Garcia and Ricky Almaguer. Mat number 1, we have 113 pounders in the winner's bracket. Jacob Ellison from Montesino and Dalton Young from Lakeside High Royal Falls. Now deck wrestlers in mat 1, there should be Juan Pablo Salcedo from Highland and Carlos Hernandez from Royal. Mat 4A5. In consolation at 120 pounds now, Justin Sapila from Tahoma and Carol Abdul Wahab from Heritage High School. On deck at 5, Elijah Kilborn from Central Valley and Chase Classen from Moses Lake. 2A1, we've got a new match in the winner's bracket at 113 pounds.
106 for 20 for Moses Lake versus Moses Lake.
And Fidel Medina from Grandview.
That's cool, dude.
Josue Rodriguez from Toppenish and Grant Gaspar from Richfield would be on deck at 2A1. Changes now in 4A versus mat number 1. Now at 113 pounds, it's a semi-final match with Fernando Leyva from Moses Lake and Nick Whitehead from Tahoma. On deck at mat 1, we need Timmy Martinez and Daniel Rice. 4A mat 2 now. A semi at 126 with Jake Douglas from Lake Stevens and Cruz Velasquez from Tahoma.
Hey, Torres and the dog,
138 pounders Blake Beard from Central Valley and Logan Pine from Olympia. Be on deck at 4A2.
Braw's got to take down. Did he? Oh, he did.
Abby Humphreys of Rogers of Puyallup, you are going to win by forfeit. You must show up to the mat ready to wrestle. Abby Humphreys of Rogers of Puyallup, you will win by forfeit. Please report to the mat ready to wrestle to sign your bout sheet. That means next on girls mat number 3, we will have Alexandra Parson from Nooksack Valley and Mariah Rago from Kelso.
Gotta get one here, David. Just need to get up. Need one.
Parson and Rago on
Faces,
the mat
get
now,
one.
112 pounds. Rachel
You're
Alec
out. Hand
from
fight.
East Valley of Spokane and Natalie Smith from Mount Baker. You're on deck at mat number 3.
Stalling Green? Is that us? No, that's them.
Here's the next match on 3A mat number 1. It's a semifinal at 126 pounds. Matthew Floresca from Shorewood and Dylan Foley from Auburn Mountain View. Colton Tracy and Damian Goldie. Be ready to go at mat number 1 in 3A. Tracy and Goldie on deck.
Oh, we're green. We're red. Yeah, we are red. No, we're green. Not mine.
4A mat 4 now. We're going to have a match pretty quick here with Troy Wilson of Rogers of Puyallup and Zach Cunningham of Lake Stevens. Opening whistle coming up. After that, on deck at 4A4 would be Ty Wilson from Rogers of Puyallup and Kentwood's Dalton Myers. Wilson and Myers, 145 pounds. You're on deck at 4A4.
Get up 14 seconds, David.
Back to the 1A tournament, and on mat 4 now in consolation at 120 pounds, Ivan Reyes from Chelan, Colin Atchison, Tonasket.
Gotta get one here.
The on-deck wrestlers at mat 4 over there in 1A should be Tyler Jack and Paul Newell. Girls mat 4. We change to a new match now at 112 pounds. Sierra Toner from Battleground, Denicia Ramirez.